Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to hide elements. So for example, I will create a wall and another you can create furniture. The next, if you want to hide elements in these objects, you can go to the 3D view and then you can select the elements like I will click on the wall. Now you can right click and then choose hide selection. So it will be automatically hide the element. Okay, you can click against the objects, right click, and then choose the hide selection. To show, you can right click and then choose show selection. Okay, that's it for a basic Archicad tutorial how to hide element.